What's going on, guys and gals? This is going to be a really quick oven fried chicken recipe. Alrighty, I kind of started this video late here, but basically what I did is I took some of these gluten-free seasoned breadcrumbs here, and I mixed in. They say that they're seasoned, but they never taste seasoned to me, so I added some mustard powder, some garlic powder, some cumin seeds, some paprika, some onion powder, some cayenne pepper, and some dill weed. That's what our flakes look like, our gluten-free breadcrumbs. And I also use some egg wash. And this egg wash is just regular old liquid egg product. It's just a egg whites. You can use pure egg whites. The egg whites seem to stick better. I rolled them into this first, and then I put them on a sprayed cooking sheet here, and then we're going to stick them in the oven at 425 degrees for 20 minutes, and then flip them after 20 minutes. Alrighty, it's been about 20 minutes, and I don't like the color of those right there, so we're going to flip that around. I got it on 425, but we're going to flip that around and let it cook some more until it's brown. Alrighty, I had to turn it up a little bit, guys, because it was not cooking fast enough. So it's cooked now for about 45 minutes. And I had to turn the heat up to about 475 for the last 5 minutes just to get it to brown. And it's not as golden brown as I would like. I think if I had sprayed some cooking spray on top of it, or maybe coated it a little bit with some oil, it would have goldened up a little bit more. So I'll have to do that the next time, but it's got a nice little crust on each one of them. Guarantee you it's nice and crispy. They're too hot right now to cut into. I don't like the powdery look that they have. Like that one right there's got a kind of a powdery look to it. But again, it's fried. I mean, that's hard right there. That's a shell on it. I like the brown color on those right there. So you live and you learn. Life goes on. All right, I'm kind of sad about that chicken not being brown. So what I did, I'm a smart butt now. What I did is I sprayed it with a little bit of cooking spray, lowered the temperature down to 350 degrees, and we're going to see if it browns, because I don't want those white spots on it, those light color spots on it. So we're gonna finish this recipe, and doggone it, my chicken's gonna come out right. You're gonna see. All righty, 10 minutes, 350 after spraying. That's what I'm talking about. Oops, sorry about that. That's what I'm talking about. That's what chicken is supposed to look like right there. Now that is cooked perfectly there. So again, I added the spray afterwards. I cooked it a little bit longer. Could it be overdone? Probably. Will it taste good? Probably. There we go, guys. That's how you do it. And there you go. Oven fried, nice and brown, oven fried chicken. Now, realistically, you would want to put your cooking spray, and again, all I used was just a little bit of this butter flavored cooking spray on it. You'd want to do that at the very beginning to make that brown. It would have browned a lot quicker. But again, sometimes you gotta make up things as you go. So y'all have a good evening. We'll talk to you soon. Peace.